So this one is the wrong bobbin. Okay, the bobbin should be 11.5. That's the correct one. So I will do the bobbin winding, transfer of the bobbin thread, this loose bobbin thread to this new bobbin. Okay, put in the spool cap. Okay, follow the dotted line. So here shows the dotted line one, like this. Okay, and go underneath this ring. This ring is, you have to actually pull in the thread. You don't need to lift up, it's not necessary, but you just pull in so that it's tight. Go upwards, okay, then it shows here, clockwise direction, a few rounds until the thread is short. This thread is short, and then you push. Okay, so once you push, you can do a bobbin wind. So now we will step the foot pedal and then wind to the higher speed. So you go up, down, up, down. So when it's stuck, right, just check the thread again. So she actually wind 2 to 3 threads in one spool, which is not recommended. But it's alright, we will just leave it, okay?